So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the flagship killer of the year 2021, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And by the way, we are about to reach 20k subscribers in my channel, so make sure you smash the subscribe button along with the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's get started. So let's take a closer look of the box. So at the top we have the S series logo, which has the number 21 in the background, and on the bottom we have the model mentioned. Then on the top it's plain, we have nothing over here, and on the bottom we have got the color and specs of the phone. So I have got this Phantom Silver variant, which has the 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. And moving on to the left side, we have got the Galaxy branding, and then on the right we have the Samsung logo, and on the back we have some info regarding the phone and 5G. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So upon opening the box, we have got the device itself on the top. Then we have got the IMEI number sticker. And then we have got the accessory box, which has the SIM ejector tool in the back. And inside we have got some paperwork as usual, which are the quick start guide and the warranty card. And finally a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So these are all the things which we have got in the box. Some paperwork, device itself, SIM ejector tool, and Type-C to Type-C cable. Let's go ahead and peel the existing sticker on the phone. I'll go ahead and set up this phone and we'll be back. Till that, let's unbox the 25W power delivery fast charger. So let's take a closer look at the box. On the top it states 25W PD adapter, which means power delivery adapter, and it supports Type-C input only. And then we have the Samsung logo. So on the left it is just mentioned as travel adapter, and on the right as well. On the back we have the detailed features and specs of the adapter. The one and only thing to be considered in this is that you only get the adapter and not the Type-C cable. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the adapter. So we have the Type-C input on the top and some details of the adapter on the back. So let's go ahead and see the specs of the phone. So I have done setting up the phone and have used the phone for a couple of hours, and the first thing I would like to mention is the display. So this is a 6.8-inch QHD 120Hz refresh rate screen with a Gorilla Glass Victus build. This is by far one of the best screens I've used till now. The next thing I would like to mention is the overall premium feel and the look of the phone. Let's have a closer look on it. So we have got the 40 megapixel selfie camera with the secondary speaker on the top, and then on the back we have the Gorilla Glass Victus build and the quad camera setup with the flash. And then on the top we have two holes, one is definitely a microphone and the other one is said to be an earpiece loudspeaker ventilation area. And then on the right we have the volume rocker key and the power button. So on the bottom we have the primary speaker as well as the Type-C charge port and the primary mic and also the SIM card slot. So no headphone jack in this. And on the left we have nothing. So as for the first thing, let's go ahead and check on the software which is running on this phone. So we have got the One UI 3.1 version with the Android 11. And now let's go and check on the display of the phone. So by default, we have got the 120Hz refresh rate selected. You can go ahead and change it to 60Hz if you want. So the best part of this display is that when you go to the screen resolution, you have three options over there as HD+, FHD+, and WQHD+. So you can choose any of these three and still the 120Hz refresh rate will be working and it won't switch to 60Hz like before. So by far, the overall experience of using the phone, swiping here and there is next level. Trust me, the 120Hz refresh rate screen is a beast. So next we have the battery. This phone is packed with a 5000 mAh battery which supports 25 watt super fast charging and can charge up to 100% within 1 hour and 15 minutes maximum. This battery does a good job in powering up the device and stays longer even when the 120Hz refresh rate screen is on. Next up, we have the speakers. This phone is packed with stereo type speakers which are tuned by Aaqib. So here's the primary and secondary speaker test. And then we have got the in-display fingerprint sensor. So this is the new and improved in-display fingerprint sensor from the previous generation and it works so accurately. I have used it many times and not a single time that it mentioned me try again. So finally, the most awaited part of the phone is the camera. So first, let's take a look at the selfie camera. This is a 40 megapixel camera with a focal length of 2.2. Here are some sample shots of it. So onto the quad camera. So first we have the 108 megapixel camera with a focal length of 1.8 which is a wide angle lens. And then next we have the 10 megapixel camera with a focal length of 4.9 which is a periscope telephoto lens. Then again we have a 10 megapixel camera but this time with a focal length of 2.4 which is a telephoto lens. And then finally we have the 12 megapixel camera with a focal length of 2.2 which is an ultra wide lens. So here are some of the sample pictures of the cameras. So my final thoughts of this phone is that this is one heck of a flagship killer of 2021. This phone has so many features packed into it that you definitely should buy if you are thinking on getting a flagship device. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's all for today. Hope you all love this video and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and as always, see you guys in the next one.